everyone, welcome back to Solo Dev. Today we're starting a short series on SlateIM, an immediate mode UI library for Unreal Engine. If you ever wanted lightweight debug windows without writing full Slate widgets, you're going to love this. I came across a recent video of an epic presentation on SlateIM. For the last few months, I've been working on another combat system. It's like Epic's motion matching, but for combat. I need a way to display how the chooser is scoring the attacks and which one wins. SlateIM is perfect for this. By the end of this video, you'll have a live debug window rendering inside your game, powered entirely by C++. Let's jump in. So what exactly is SlateIM? SlateIM is an immediate mode UI layer that sits on top of Unreal's Slate system. I'm starting with a completely fresh Unreal project. I am using Unreal 5.7 for this video. I'm choosing a blank template, C++ project, no starter content. You can name yours whatever you like. I'll call mine SlateIM sample. Next, let's add SlateIM to our project. It's going to confirm that you understand that this is experimental plugin. It's also going to ask you to restart. Once Unreal restarts, the SlateIM module will be available for C++ use. Now we're ready to create our first debug window. Let's hop into the C++. We create a class file and name it mydebugwindow.h. Now let's build our class. We name the class fMyDebugWindow and we inherit from fSlateIM widget base. In the public section, we set up our constructor. It takes one parameter, which is the name of the widget. Next, we override the draw widget function. This function is where your UI lives and what Slate UI will draw and tick. And that's it. A full debug window in just a few lines. No Slate boilerplate at all. Open up your project's build.cs file. Add SlateIM as a dependency. This line tells Unreal that our project wants to use SlateIM module. Don't forget this step. Otherwise, you'll get link errors later. Next, we create the game instance to host our window. You can use a character or other classes, but for this example, we will use the game instance. We override our init and shutdown functions. We also add a unique pointer property for our debug window. Lastly, we add a function that we will use to activate our debug window. In our implementation, inside the init function, we make a unique pointer to our debug window. We use tsticker to call our activate debug window next frame function after one tick. We do this because it gives the engine time to make sure our SlateIM module is loaded. If we don't do this, your editor will crash from a null pointer reference. In our activate debug window next frame function, we enable the widget. This starts the SlateIM tick. When the game instance shutdown is called, we disable the window to stop the tick, then reset it. Our coding is now complete. Now in our new project, we need to set the game instance. We go to the project settings, maps and modes, game instance drop down. We select our SlateIM sample game instance. Now Unreal knows to use our custom instance. Let's run our project, and there we go. That's a SlateIM window running right inside our project. We can resize, we can drag our window. This gives us a professional quality debug tool with almost no code. In the next video, we'll expand on this tool window and add color text, spacing and layout, and live data binding. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss part 2. Thanks for watching. If this helped you in any way, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel grow. Until next time, keep building cool stuff.